What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Serval Saturday, and in honor of National Puppy Day, I'm going to give you some footage of just these cute dogs that I have the honor and privilege of sharing life with. This is Kylo. Hi, Kylo. Ugh. Here is Cooper. Say hi, buddy. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. So yeah, more footage. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Just chilling in the sun. So yeah, I'm gonna give you some more footage of these crazy kids in honor of National Puppy Day. Not gonna be any bass playing or anything like that. Just some dog stuff. You ready? There you go. Bring it here. Cooper, what do you think? All right, buddy, ready? Oh, here's another one. Whoa. Woo. Whoa, you okay? You all right? Ready? There he goes. Cooper, go get him. What's up, my dude? Oh, look at that. Look at that. You're so good. You're so good. Give me that. Oh. 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 Uh-oh. What do we have here? Got a bigger stick. You ready? You ready? Go get it. Dun-dun. Cooper. What you doing, buddy? Kylo. Hi. Hello. Uh-oh, you found another one. You ready? Oh, here's the big one again. Here's the big one. Ready? Go get it. Woo! What's up, buddy? What's going on? What's going on? Hi. 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 Happy National Puppy Day, dude. Happy National Puppy Day. Oh, yes. He's just chilling. He's just chilling. He's just got his leg up and everything. He hasn't a care in the world. Hi. Hello. Hello. Oh, put your junk away, dude. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Alright. Kylo, here's another stick. You ready? Ooh, this one's weird looking. You ready? Go get it. Or not. Cooper's just relaxing. Kylo. Cooper, Kylo. You ready? Whoa. Whoop. Whoop. Whew. Whew. You ready? Go get it. Good boy. Good boy. What are you looking at? Good boy. Come here. Come here. Oh, stretch. Stretch. Kylo, come here. Come here. Kylo. Huh. All right. Hello. Come here, buddy. Hi. Oh. Hello. Hi. Happy National Puppy Day, everybody. thank you for watching Serval Saturday. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any cute pictures or videos of your own puppies, feel free to post them. Tag National Puppy Day. Don't worry about tagging AfroKatz because we have nothing to do with National Puppy Day. But share the love. Enjoy this wonderful spring weather. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to AfroKatz. We have some fun news and other things coming up for you that I can't say anything about yet because it hasn't officially been announced, but we have a summer gig coming up. Stay tuned, like and subscribe to this video, and have a wonderful day. Love you. Stay beautiful.